I like to see it lap up the miles and lick the valleys up and stop to feed itself at tanks and then prodigious step. Ooh, around a pile of mountains. Ooh, the railway train. Ooh, in shanties by the roadside. Ooh, the railway train. To fit its sides and crawl between, complaining all the while in horrid hooting stanza, then chase itself downhill. Ooh, around a pile of mountains.